Hi students, today we was having seminar for Cape Breton University and Mr. Rahul from Cape Breton University is here. So now the seminar time is over. That's why I was using the word today we was having the seminar. So it was really beautiful event. It was really very knowledgeful event as well. So I want to know from Mr. Rahul certain main points for why students should go to Cape Breton University. Thank you. Over to you.
Thank you, ma'am, for inviting me here at your office and organize this wonderful event for Cape Breton University. So today, guys, yes, I met with so many students who were very good in terms of the if we to talk about their academic record uh, as scores and everything, and they were meeting the criteria for Cape Breton University, and hopefully they'll be applying soon for the preferred program. We are open for May 22 intake, so all the students were looking for May 22 intake. If talk about the question ma'am has asked, why students should go for Cape Breton University. So the location, that's very important. The factor here, we talk about Nova Scotia. In Nova Scotia, Sydney City, where Cape Breton University is situated, and there are some location specific advantages, location specific USPs we have. Everyone should be aware of. It's not that expensive. It's very reasonable. The monthly expenses is $500 to $600 only. The weather conditions are pretty good. Being a coastal area, it is considered as one of the warmest provinces here in Canada. Also, the medical benefits you get in here. MSI card. After 1 year, you are eligible to apply for MSI card.
What is MSI card, if you can?
Medical service insurance. A student spent already 12 months in the province can apply for MSI card, and the student gets it, and we can meet all the medical expenses free of cost using this medical card.
But it's a total free of cost.
Yes, that's one and only Nova Scotia where you actually get it, nowhere else in Canada. Moving ahead, also if I talk about international exposure, the kind of population we have here, the kind of the students we have here in campus, in city, in actually entire province, so it is all multicultural. We do have Indian population that is balanced. We have students from more than 40-45 countries studying in Cape Breton University. Also, we have Canadians studying, more than 3,000 maximum. We have local students from Canada, Canadian only, studying in Cape Breton University from different provinces, not only Nova Scotia.
So local people are also studying.
Yes,
That's
yes,
the main.
there are a lot of programs where we have more than 90% local students studying.
So in Cape Breton, with the degree, there's a diploma program as well. That's the main benefit
Yes.
for the students. It's not that they have to only study in degree; they can choose diploma as well.
See, this is a public university, government university with the history of 70 years, where you have 2 years UG diploma option. You have 3 years degrees, bachelor degrees, as well as 4 years bachelor degrees available. Also post degree PG option for 2 years. PG diplomas, even master degree we have, like MBA we have. So we have all sort of option, I would say.
Do you accept 3 years bachelor for the post degrees?
Yes, we accept 3 years bachelor degrees for PG diplomas. Yes, there are different.
That will be PG diploma, not
post
master.
degrees. Not exactly master degree. Those are, even for MBA it is fine. MBA, but in MBA we are required GMAT as well. For MBA student with 3 years degree,
That's
even
okay.
can apply.
That's
Yeah, if they have got the GMAT scores.
So some more points, if you can tell why students should go to, like there in Canada there are so many provinces, but when applying for CBUK, because I'm sending student from so many years to
Yeah.
Cape Breton University, my experience is really very good with the university, and fee is what I know is very affordable,
Very affordable.
comparable to other universities.
Yes, that is
That's
the
the
next
main-
point I
yeah,
wanted to
yeah,
discuss
yeah,
about.
yeah, if you
The
can
kind of fee structure we have in Cape Breton University, guys. So it's quite economic, being a public university, 70 years old in Nova Scotia province, a reputed institution. So it's not that high. If we talk about UG programs or the PG post degree programs, it's economic, it's affordable, and even if you're looking for settlement opportunities, so Nova Scotia becomes the preferred one. You can look for opportunities like AIPP and PNP. You can have the detailed information over the official CIC website.
If you can tell some program, because student is investing on his career.
Yeah.
So what will be the ROI, return on investment of the student,
Okay.
for which program he should study, where he can get, you know, in every student's life, there that he can get good job, whether he is coming to India or
Mhm.
he is, you know, preferring all over world or somewhere, that it is
Okay, so
student
global
first.
opportunity.
Yeah.
See, if you specifically I talk about this location, Nova Scotia. So here, the biggest sector we have hospitality and tourism. So UG program we have Bachelor of Hospitality and Tourism Management.
That's
3
great,
years.
because so many students from our stream, they used to come and used to ask me, मैम मेरे को कोई अच्छा सा easy सा program दे दो. They want very easy program. So hospitality, tourism, I think in study also maximum is a practical.
Yeah, practical. See, it is always, the institution, they always keep the practical approach in terms of hospitality,
Yeah.
even other programs. But yes, when it comes to hospitality, so practical exposure.
Yesterday
which
I
is,
was having one inquiry and he was asking, give me some program like that. We should have 70% practical. I think hospitality
I
is
must tell you, ma'am, the program we are talking about, Bachelor of Hospitality and Tourism Management, that is a 3 years degree program, and within 3 years, we have 2 paid internships.
wow.
So,
Paid internship is
two-
for how much time?
Uh, that's for 2 different paid internships in different semesters,
Mm-hmm.
and student would be paid for that.
No, but I mean, ki like that's a total duration of internship is
Hourly visit it would be in total 540 hours, around 540 hours. Yeah.
7-8 months or less than that. something
540
like-
hours, we can calculate it how
Yeah,
much it
something
would be,
like that.
depending on working days and everything.
It's a paid internship. That means student have to study just a little more than that 2 years, and he will have a bachelor's degree, and paid means that he is rewarded for the work what he have.
Apart
Done.
from that, if we talk about other programs in engineering, we have unique engineering option like petroleum engineering is there, electronics and control is there, environmental, chemical, mineral resource, material, industrial, electrical, mechanical, civil. So many engineering options are also
So,
available.
What I know, petroleum engineering is also very famous with Cape Breton University.
Yes.
What's the reason for that?
The location has got the same industry. Nova Scotia and Alberta, those are the provinces known for petroleum in Canada. So usually you'll find these programs available in either in Alberta or Nova Scotia.
So that's great, because they do have a lot of job opportunities for the petroleum programs. So the course is also there. So student can get a right, kind of, you can say, in the part time they can find the similar work as well.
In engineering, we have got UG programs as well as post degree programs. If somebody has already got a bachelor degree, so can look for post degree option as well for 2 years, and similar programs of engineering.
Nice. Any entry criteria for the students?
Okay, entry criteria that varies program to program usually. If I talk about basic requirements, so the percentage requirement for UG program is minimum 55% you must have in year 12, no subject less than 50%. And for post degree programs, if you have got a degree minimum 3 years with minimum 50% marks, so we may have an option for you in Cape Breton University.
That's great.
Even health related programs we have. Somebody who is from like MBBS, BDS or nursing degree holder, they find very difficulties in terms of finding a suitable program into health area. So we have public health post degree as well as UG public health. We have healthcare management. We have business management, supply chain management.
So which,
These are
if
the-
I ask you 2 to 3 program which is really famous with the Cape Breton University, if you can name these 2 to 3 programs.
2-3 programs specifically. So I would say supply chain management, the most popular one we have post baccalaureate. That's a post degree program. Also public health, that's very very popular, especially among MBBS and BDS students. The students who have got a bachelor degree into health areas. Apart from that, petroleum, that's very popular in engineering. That's a unique one, and hospitality. Yeah, these
That's
are the
great.
programs.
Thank you, Rahul. Thanks a lot for that. Anything more if you want to tell, must be if I'm forgetting something.
Being a public university, when you go for a public university, you get a good future prospects as well, which could be location specific. So location is what actually matters a lot when it comes to investing your time, efforts, money for your education, especially when we talk about Canada. So do figure out about the location. Some of the inputs I have already given, some of the USPs I have already told. To know more about Cape Breton University, you can even visit the website cb.ca, or you can connect Veena ma'am here in Navigator Overseas to have a proper counseling at the office. You can come here and meet Veena ma'am for further guidance. We are the authorized partner with Navigator Overseas, and so many students we actually helped to reach Cape Breton University in Nova Scotia.
Thank you, students, and thank you, Rahul, for the wonderful information. And we do have really very good experience with the university. And for May intake, they open. And if you want to apply, please contact us as soon as possible. Thank you so much.